Pterosaurs, the oldest flying reptiles, once inhabited the skies of Australia about 107 million years ago, according to a recent study. Paleontologists analyzed 2 prehistoric bone samples that were discovered more than 3 decades ago in Dinosaur Cove, a fossil-rich site in Victoria, Australia. These samples were determined to be the oldest pterosaur remains found in the country. Pterosaurs were the first vertebrates to evolve the ability of flight and lived alongside dinosaurs during the Mesozoic era. The researchers, from Curtin University and Museums Victoria, examined bones from 2 individuals, including the wing bone of the first juvenile pterosaur reported in Australia. The study's lead author, Adele Pentland, highlighted the discovery's significance, indicating that these massive creatures flew over Australia millions of years ago, even during the challenging conditions of the Cretaceous period when Victoria experienced prolonged darkness. The location where the specimens were found would have been within the polar circle at that time. The excavation at Dinosaur Cove, led by paleontologists Tom Rich and Pat Vickers-Rich, yielded these Australian pterosaur specimens in the 1980s. The study's publication has brought attention to the specimens that had been overlooked for several decades. Pentland noted that only about 25 sets of pterosaur remains belonging to 4 species have been found in Australia, whereas other countries like Brazil and Argentina have retrieved over 100 sets at individual sites. The delayed confirmation of these Australian specimens was attributed to the lack of enthusiasm surrounding the species in the country until Pentland took an interest in them. Rich, from Museums Victoria Research Institute, expressed satisfaction with the outcome, highlighting the years of hard work put in by over 100 volunteers who excavated a 60-meter tunnel in the seaside cliff to uncover these fossils. The study sheds light on the ancient presence of pterosaurs in Australia, contributing to our understanding of the prehistoric biodiversity in the region.